Hello everybody, it's me Asong Filipina, and to this video I'm going to unbox what I shop from Shein. Okay. This is for my nails. So I have this one. I'm gonna open it for you. It's a nail remover. Nail polish gel remover. Because in the salon, I call it salon when I go to salon, they ask 200 pesos when they remove your nail polish. So 200 pesos, it's about $4 or 3.5. So I have it now, so I can do it myself in front of the camera. And this one I have here a set of base coat, matte top coat, and then also the primer. So it's 3. I'm going to open it. Open it. Next, oh my god, the box is so nice. This is the, what is this? Remover pad. Okay, I'm gonna show you. So I have 2 sets. So this one, I have to wrap my nail colors to remove the gel polish. So I have this, and I will open one for you guys. This is not a sponsored video or for sale. Oh, it's wet. It's a wet pad. Oh my god. I thought it's the kind of wrapping that you can wrap the nail colors, then it will remove, but this is just ordinary remover, just to remove the nail polish. It's kind of tissue so it's kind of useless, but it's okay, I have it. So next is another one. It's also magic remover gel. Well, this is just the gel remover nail polish. And my dog wants to join me. Stay away there. Stay away there, Rapunzel. So her name is Rapunzel. So I have now the gel remover. So the price of this is only €1. So now the last one is, the packaging is so nice. I like it. I like it. Oh, it's like a bar soap. Well, this one is nail primer and nail preparation, nail prep dehydrator. So this is for the skin, for your around the nails. So it's better quality than before. I have before, but I really don't like it's kind of cheap. It's kind of a cheap brand, but so Yeah, that's all I have. And I have more coming. So I have shoes that arriving today. It's not here yet, and we're gonna unbox it again later. And this is just all. And hope to see you next time. Love you all, everyone. But then I'm gonna show you first before we end. I'm gonna show you that I buy the tray for my nails for my nail colors. So I have full of nail polish here, and then I'm gonna arrange it before we end. I'm just gonna arrange, and then put here. I have alcohol, I have acetone here, but I think this is best. It's more safe, especially for the nails. It's protecting my nails. So that's why I can change nail colors every time, because I use gel polish and also good quality of the nail colors, so it stay good, and it's kind of making my nails thicker because my nail is thin. So guys, never mind my speaking, just watch me. And then, okay, I'm gonna arrange it. Then later on, tomorrow maybe, I'm gonna change my nail colors. Since I have good stuff now for my nails. So this one is a lot, my gosh. This is so many. So one box is about 100 pieces box. So I have to apply the nail remover, so the colors will kind of bubbling. It starts to remove. Then I have to use these wipes to just remove it. But then I expect like the wrap. Wait, so I expect to wrap my nails with this, but it's different. It's just kind of wipes. It's not really a remover. You put it here, remover, but it's kind of wipes for your nail colors. It's okay. I have to put here since I have a lot of nail colors now, so I need another one. So I'm gonna put it down here. Just I will arrange that later. Okay, that's all for now, and see you next time. Bye everyone. I hope you like my outfit. So at the same time, I have to remove this one and the other one.